You're watching K News HD International today on the kind of direction of the World Director General of Archaeology, Mr. Zahir Abbas Malik. International Museum Day was celebrated at Harappa Museum. In the regard, the rally about awareness about our rich culture heritage was organized by the Director General of Archaeology under the theme of education and research, and also for creating a sense of ownership among the student about culture heritage and its protecting for the coming generation. A lecture was also organized by the Director General of Archaeology at Harappa Museum Auditorium. Dr. Zafar Ali Abbasi, Subject Specialist, Government Higher Secondary School, Harappa, delivered a lecture upon museums for education and research to the pupil. Mr. Muhammad Hassan, Director Archaeology, was the chief guest on the occasion. He also intelligent the pupil on International Museum Day and its theme education and research. The creator Archaeological Museum, Harappa, and Ahmed Nawaz Tipu thank for chief guest, scholar, and pupil for their arrival and participation.